Hello lovelies, welcome back again to my channel. Guess what we're making today? Yes, we're making some curry powder spice, and trust me, this curry powder recipe came out so good and it was just perfect. If today been your first time stopping by, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, turn on that bell over there so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Let's get started. Alright, so to start mixing our spices, I'll be needing my turmeric powder, and trust me, turmeric powder is the most important ingredient in this recipe. I will also need some natural mixed spice. I'll list everything in the description box for you to check it out. Next, I'll need some garlic, onion and ginger powder as well. You can omit it if you don't want to, okay? Next, I'll also be needing some black peppercorns. Moving forward, I'll also be needing some star anise seed, calabash nutmeg and some cloves. Next on my list, I'm also going to be needing some nutmeg, bay leaves, anise seed, and I'll also be going in with some hot pepper just to make it more spicy and hot. Alright, so now let's move on to the main agenda. So next, into my heated pan, I'll add in all my natural spices, which I'm going to be toasting it for about 5 to 10 minutes on a low medium heat for the aromas in the spices to really come out very well. Alright, so whilst that is going on, let me use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you for always liking my video, sharing and commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do well to subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after toasting our spices for about 5 minutes now, it's looking all perfect and ready. So next, I'm going to be turning off my flame, allow it to cool down completely, and I'm going to be blending this off camera. And after blending the spices to get a very smooth and nice consistency like this, I will transfer it into my bowl. After that, I'll go in with my powdered spices as well, which I'm going to be adding in my garlic, ginger and onion powder. I'll also add in my nutmeg, my powdered pepper and my turmeric powder. The amount of everything depends on how you want it, okay? Stir everything very well until it is nice and well incorporated. Alright, so whilst that is done, I will be sifting my curry powder very well to make sure I have a very smooth consistency. At this point, you have your homemade curry powder nicely done with few ingredients, and trust me, the taste that this curry powder is going to bring to your food, trust me, you are going to be amazed. Just trust the process and you are going to fall in love with this recipe. So easy to put together and you will definitely love it. Homemade is always the best and it saves money as well. So let's all try to save money this Christmas season, okay? Alright, so after sifting everything nicely, this is the consistency. It's just smooth and perfect, and I love the color as well. So now all that is left is for me to transfer everything into my airtight container. You can use any container of your choice. All that matters right here is an airtight container, which can help protect the spice for a longer period of time, okay? Fam, let me know what you think about this homemade curry powder recipe, and I will be waiting for you in the comment section to read all your beautiful comments down below. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, And if you enjoy to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, turn on that post notification bell, and be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.